Let's explore a mathematical problem that involves comparing two different concepts, the factorial of 5 and 5 raised to the power of 3. To determine which of these values is greater, we first need to understand what each of these terms means, and then carefully calculate each one. Let's start with the factorial of 5. The factorial is a mathematical operation that involves multiplying a number by all the positive integers less than it, down to 1. In the case of the factorial of 5, written as 5, it means we will multiply 5 by 4, then by 3, then by 2, and finally by 1. Let's work through this multiplication step by step to ensure everything is clear. First, we multiply 5 by 4. When we do that, we get 20. That's the first step. Now we take that 20 and multiply it by 3. The result of that multiplication is 60. Next, we multiply 60 by 2, which gives us 120. Finally, we multiply 120 by 1, which keeps the result at 120. So, the factorial of 5 is 120. Now that we understand the factorial calculation, let's move on to 5 raised to the power of 3. Exponentiation is an operation where a number is multiplied by itself multiple times according to the value of the exponent. In the case of 5 raised to the power of 3, this means we will multiply 5 by itself 3 times. Let's solve this step by step. First, we multiply 5 by 5. When we do that, we get 25. That's the first step. Now we need to take that 25 and multiply it by 5 again, because the exponent is 3, so we need to multiply it a third time. When we multiply 25 by 5, the result is 125. Now that we have both results, let's compare them. On one side, we have 5, which is 120. On the other side, we have 5 raised to the power of 3, which is 125. When we compare these two numbers, we see that 125 is slightly greater than 120. Therefore, 5 raised to the power of 3 is the larger number between the two. This comparison helps us understand how the factorial and exponentiation work differently, producing distinct results even when using the same base number. Understanding these mathematical operations is crucial for solving a wide range of problems and allows us to make precise comparisons, as we've done here.